Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. The video that I'll be doing today is about the recipe that I'm gonna prepare for the birthday of my boyfriend. So today I'll be doing an apple cake. I'm gonna show you the ingredients in a while, and I'll be preparing a lasagna with zucchini. So to be able to make an apple cake, you should have 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 50 ml of milk, melted butter. You should have around 60 grams of melted butter, 300 grams of flour, and also 16 grams of yeast flour, and also 2 apples, of course. So let me start. First of all, you should get the eggs and have a container like this. You have to try to break the eggs, and there. And try to mix the sugar. So guys, after putting the eggs and the sugar, you should put the butter, the melted butter, in. Mix everything. 50 ml of milk. Mix it again. You have to mix it really well. After this, you should put flour, but not all in one time, of course. You should do it a little bit at a time. So put a little bit of it and mix. So try to mix it properly. Try to mix it until it will become a cream. So mix. Then you should have the yeast flour, and put a little bit of yeast flour. And then you should mix again. So it should look like this. Then I suggest you to cut the apple in cubes. Cut the apple in cubes. So try to cut it in cubes. You should again mix everything. When you mix everything, it should look like this. So guys, after mixing everything in, you should get a baking tin. So I have only this one, so I hope it's enough. Put it in the baking tin. And try to spread it better inside the baking tin. Now guys, when you finish spreading everything properly, I suggest you to get another apple and try to peel it off. So guys, try to cut the apple this way. Slice the apple this way. Now all you got to do is just to decorate all the cake. So put the apple. So it should look like this. Put a little bit of sugar in the top. So guys, after preparing your apple cake, it should look like this. Now you should put it in the oven for 180 degrees for around 45 minutes.
Later.
Now guys, here is how the cake looks. We're gonna take it out.
One eternity later.
So guys, to be able to do the lasagna zucchini, you should have onions, lasagna pastry, parmesan, bechamel cream, salt, 4 zucchini, and olive oil. So guys, to be able to do the lasagna zucchini, you should get the zucchini, cut it. So guys, after cutting the zucchini, you should get this one and you should grate it. Now guys, the zucchini should look like this. Now you should put it in a cooking pan and a little bit with salt and cook it for a few minutes. I just put the zucchini inside the cooking pan with a little bit of oil and salt. Now I should wait a little bit for a few minutes. Now I'm going to put the bechamel cream inside the pan and like this. Now you should mix everything. So mix everything. You should cut your zucchini, your 2 remaining zucchini, in small pieces. So like this. Now your zucchini should look like this. Then guys, you should get 1 onion and slice it in small pieces. Now guys, you should put your onion and cook it. And then I suggest you to put your zucchini. Then guys, I suggest you to put a little bit of flavor. Then guys, you should cut your cheese. You should put a little bit of butter. You have to get your lasagna pastry. Then you have to put your bechamel cream. Then you should put a little bit of your zucchini. And cheese. You have to put also some parmesan. So put a little bit of parmesan on the top. Then guys, you just have to repeat the procedures until you finish. So guys, this is the last layer. So as this is the last layer, I am going to decorate it a little bit. So I'll be putting the zucchini on the top. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. Now guys, you have to put the lasagna in the oven for around 20 minutes for 200 degrees.
Later.
Now I'll be preparing the kitchen for his birthday. Hi guys, so I finally finished decorating and I'll show you what I did. It's just simple, but it's just the both of us here in the house, so I thought about doing this for his birthday. So for his birthday, I made this apple cake and the zucchini lasagna.